Welcome sa Enjoy, partner ng pamilya sa negosyo tupad pangarap ng Pilipino. Hi Enjoypreneurs! We're here at the Enjoy Kitchen again, and today I'll be showing you 2 ways to serve your chocolate milkshake na sure akong mas magiging appetizing and irresistible, perfect for your family and even for your customers. So for today's recipe tutorials, ito ang mga kakailanganin nating ingredients. Enjoy Choco Kisses Milkshake Powder Mix, Enjoy Choco Hot Fudge Milkshake Powder Mix, and meron tayo here for our toppings, chocolate chips, we also have marshmallows, chocolate spread, and crushed grahams. Tapos, meron din tayong chocolate syrup, brownies, chocolate wafer sticks, and chopped up chocolate bars. So for our first recipe today, gagawa tayo ng Enjoy Choco Kisses with s'mores toppings. So first, lalagay lang natin yung 15 ml of water sa blender. Then, 50 grams ng Enjoy Choco Kisses powder. Tapos, bago natin ilagay yung ice, kailangan muna natin siyang i-blend. After ma-blend, maglalagay tayo ng mga around 2 tablespoons ng chocolate syrup. Pang additional chocolate flavor lang to. Then, a-add natin yung ice. 200 grams ng ice. So to make this even more special, before we pour in our Choco Kisses milkshake, lalagyan muna natin ng design tong glass para sa mga chocolate lovers. Sure na sure akong magugustuhan nyo to. So kuha lang kayo ng chocolate spread, tapos i-coat nyo yung rim ng glass. Make sure very generous kayo sa paglagay. Then we have here crushed grahams. So, sprinkle lang natin siya dun sa chocolate spread na ginawa natin. Yan. And then, we will also add in chocolate syrup walling dun sa glass. Then, lalagyan na natin our Enjoy Choco Kisses milkshake. So, para mas Instagrammable siya, lalagyan pa natin siya ng mas maraming toppings. So, I have here pan-cracked whipped cream. Lalagyan natin siya ng marshmallow since s'mores nga to. Yan. Then let's add in even more crushed grahams. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng chocolate bars. So, ito na ang ating Enjoy Choco Kisses topped with s'mores extreme milkshake. So, for our next recipe naman, gagawa tayo ng Enjoy Choco Hot Fudge topped with brownies extreme milkshake. So, nag-prepare na kami ng Choco Hot Fudge milkshake. So, ulit, 50 ml ng water, 50 grams powder, then 200 grams of crushed ice. So, start na tayo. Again, any chocolate spread you want, lalagyan nyo lang yung rim ng glass. Pero guys, kung too chocolatey na to for you, pwede naman kayong maggawa ng substitute toppings like siguro fruits, o kaya powdered milk. Yan. Tapos, since for chocolate lovers nga ito, lalagyan natin ng chocolate chips. So now, let's pour in our Enjoy Choco Hot Fudge milkshake. We're gonna add even more topping. So, lalagyan ulit natin siya ng whipped cream. Then, lalagyan naman natin siya ng chocolate syrup. Again guys, if this is too chocolatey for you, pwede kayong mag-add na ibang toppings like fruits, maybe strawberries or cherries. Pero since this is nga for chocolate lovers, lalagyan natin siya ng chocolate brown. Tapos, chocolate wafer stick. So, ito na ang ating dalawang chocolate extreme milkshake recipes. Perfect na perfect ito for kids and kids at heart. Perfect din for your family and for your business. So guys, sa Enjoy Business, kailangan lang natin ng onting creativity and innovation. Maraming pwedeng magawa sa ating products. Magugulat kayo. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Also follow us on Facebook at Enjoy Philippines.